Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve PPC campaigns with Google Ads easy tutorial step by step clearly. Are you ready to enhance your PPC campaigns with Google Ads? Let's dive into some effective strategies. First, start by defining clear goals for your campaign. Identify what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing sales, generating leads, or boosting website traffic. Next, conduct thorough keyword research. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords with good search volume. Create well-structured ad groups. Group keywords that share a common theme to improve ad relevance and quality scores. Craft compelling ad copy. Focus on benefits, use strong call to actions, and ensure it aligns with the keywords in your ad group. Incorporate ad extensions. Use site link, callout, and structured snippet extensions to provide additional information and attract. Set a suitable budget. Analyze your goals and determine how much you're willing to invest in your campaign. Monitor your bidding strategy. Experiment with different bidding options such as manual or automated bidding to find what works best. Implement A/B testing. Create multiple versions of your ad copy to see which performs better. Review your targeting options. Refine your target audience based on demographics, interests, and locations to reach the right people. Continuously analyze your performance metrics. Pay close attention to click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. Adjust your keywords based on performance. Pause or remove underperforming keywords to optimize your budget. Utilize remarketing strategies. Target users who have previously interacted with your website to encourage them to return. Finally, stay updated with industry trends and Google Ads features. Continuously educate yourself on best practices to maintain a competitive edge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.